What's going on, guys? Me and Huey just went and got some food, which is his first time riding in the Sierra. What do you think, Hubert?
It's pretty comfy, Dad. Your seats are squishy. I like it.
But we're headed back to the farm right now because we are going to get rid of this check engine light today. So if you saw in the last video, we went to O'Reilly's. We did a bunch of maintenance stuff on the truck, but we also got it scanned and it was an O2 sensor failure. So I picked up an O2 sensor. We're gonna go swap that out today so we don't have this blindingly bright check engine light. Like, it's just so annoying to be there. And as well, you don't want to have a check engine light on even if it's not the biggest thing in the world, because if something else goes wrong, you're not going to have a warning for that to go wrong. Your coats are just going to pile up in the background. So you obviously do want to have all your O2 sensors reading properly though, because you're not going to be getting the best fuel economy. The truck's not going to be running absolutely perfect because it's not able to sniff what's actually coming out of the exhaust or out of the engine. So it's not got your air fuel mixture to be perfect. So anyways, we're going to head to the farm, get that swapped out. Should be good to go after that. So let's go do it. Well, I thought I'd be able to show y'all from the top, but you actually can't on the driver's side. So get down here and show y'all. Unfortunately, it looks like it's the most fun one. Ooh, it's hot. All right, so here's the downstream one right here. This is after the cat. The one I think we gotta replace is that guy right there, which that's the front drive shaft. And the plug is up behind there. You can see it from here. That's the wire, goes up, plugs in up there. So yeah, that's fun. I'm definitely gonna let this thing cool off a crap ton because it is scalding hot. So I'm gonna let it cool off. I'll jack the truck up so we can get some more access to it, and then we'll get that swapped out. Since this is, I'm sure, the original O2 sensor, I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with some PB Blaster to hopefully help me take it off nice and easy once it cools down. All right, I'll be honest, I'm kind of gambling whether or not y'all can even see what I'm doing, but let's try to. Ow, that skinned my finger. That's gonna bleed. That's about how it goes though. Nice strain, quick slip, and a painful ouchie wherever you manage to hit. I don't know how the crap I plan on getting this up in there, because this drive shaft is like, that's like an inch gap. This exhaust is here. That's the bottom of the truck, the transmission. I don't know. So there's what we're going for. I don't know what the little green thing is. I mean, I know that it's like a safety thing to keep it ensured that it's locked, but I don't really know. Let's see if I can lock this on. All right, update. I was able to pull the green thing really hard, and it did in fact pop out, so I should be able to reuse it. I'm just gonna take this. Ow, transmission is hot. Aha, did y'all hear that? There we go. All right, so now we've got our O2 sensor undone, and now it's still hot, but I'm gonna unscrew that. Hopefully this is the one that was bad, because I really don't want to do it to another one, but this is definitely probably the hardest one to get to. So let's take our new one, carefully thread it on there. All right, now we got to take our cord, our plug. Bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. Hang on. Get this all up there, locked in. There we go. Heard it. I'm telling y'all, if y'all got thick arms, like y'all got some big boy arms, y'all ain't doing this job. How in the world? I'm trying to do this through watching the camera. It's probably gonna make y'all sick. Anyways, I'm gonna put the green thing back through there. And that should have this. This is a little bit longer than the stock one. Maybe I'll zip tie it up out of the way a little bit. I don't want it resting on the transmission. I can probably put it right there. All right, got that zip tied out of the way. We're gonna go ahead and throw our negative terminal back on, and then we'll crank this thing up, and hopefully no more check engine light. All right, come on, baby. Don't you be shining, okay? Don't be doing it. Go away, go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. Ah! No! All right, boys, we are good to go. Check engine light is gone. So I did fix the issue. I just needed to clear the code, and shout out to Howard Tire. Mr. Howard coming out here and nuking my check engine light because O'Reilly said that they are not allowed to legally do that, which I find weird. But yeah, so we're good to go. That's a loud crew cat eye right there. It's just a beautiful dash with no check engine light. Oh my gosh, so much better. Love it. I am so glad we got that taken care of. Finally, I say finally, it's only been a couple days we've actually owned this truck, but I'm so glad to not have a check engine light anymore. And I've officially started the slew of parts ordering. Just a lot of odds and end things that I want to replace on this truck to get it back to OEM and start modifying this thing. And I know I've seen a lot of comments in the reveal video, some joking and some not, talking about putting true duals on the truck. So I honestly am going to do long tubes and not a true dual setup. But at the same time, I know I owe it to y'all to do true duals on it first. So probably am going to start off with true duals, and then once I do the long tubes, then we'll swap it up from there. But it probably won't do long tubes like any super soon. So we'll have true duals on it for a while, and then we can, you know, do all of our comparisons with everything like we typically do on this channel. I know a lot of y'all like that, even though some of y'all are like, think we, you know, I do too much of that. But you know, the title and thumbnail is there for a reason. You don't want to see it, don't watch it. So yeah, we probably will get true duals on here maybe next week. Probably not going to tuck them up. I'm probably gonna, I don't know, I'm probably gonna do them out the normal, throw them out underneath here somewhere. A little bit different. I have missed the true duals on the Trail Boss. Honestly, it's been a little sad without it. I mean, I love the exhaust that's on it, aside from the drone, but I won't lie, I have missed the true duals. Terry over there, I can't say that I've missed its true duals. They've officially, like, I drove Terry the other day and it was just like, this thing is just, it's too much. And then Larry, you know, Larry's perfect. So anyways, yeah, I'm kind of undecided on what to start with on the GMC. I know I'm starting slow, just enjoying the truck, but I don't know, do we lift it first or do we start doing little performance things first? I don't know. I gotta decide. Anyways, that's gonna be about it for this video. Hopefully you did enjoy. Definitely comment down below and let me know if you've had a similar issue to this and what you did and what your experience was like. But with that being said, hopefully you did enjoy. See y'all in the next one.